What up, y'all? Welcome back to my channel. Tonia Moore here, IFBB Pro, and Crohn's Disease Warrior. Anyways, so I am here just to do a quick video. I just wanted to share with you because I've been having problems. I have other videos I need to upload. So I've been having troubles doing that because everything is on my phone and I do everything recorded on my phone, which is what I'm doing right now. And I have thousands of videos and photos on my phone. And I just wanted to share, do a little open package deal, experience with a product that I have that I love, and I used it, but I had lost it. so, so I found this product and I loved it. It was like everything to me, and mainly I got it was because of my notary loan signing business. So I would use it for that, like if I had to put documents or things I needed to print on there. So, and then of course, then I learned how to use it, and I can transfer my files, my videos, my pictures, everything off of my iPhone, put it onto this jump drive, and then take it out and just plug the jump drive into my computer. So much easier. Yes, I know you can plug your phone into your computer and do the whole backup thing and syncing it and stuff like that, but you cannot like just grab files and then just move them as easily when you're in the File Explorer, right? So when you're in the File Explorer and your iPhone is plugged into your computer and you go to File Explorer, you'll see iPhone, and then you'll see it say DC, MI, IM, whatever. You know what I'm talking about, if you know what I'm talking about. And you'll see that file folder, and in that file folder is where your media data is, your pictures and videos and stuff. And so it's in that folder, but what happens is you click on that, and then you got like 50 other folders that's opened up, and then in each folder will be pictures and videos and pictures and like you got to click on every single one, and then one might only have one thing in there. So it's really it's annoying, it's tedious, it's time consuming to go through all there and then grab it and copy it and move it to a folder. So this here makes it so much easier to transfer everything off of your phone onto this jump drive. And I saw other ones. I had a different one. It was cheap, it was flimsy, it didn't work, didn't like it. So don't buy any cheap little chinky dinky brands, because in my experience they sucked. Okay, this one here I love. So I've got it off of Amazon. You can find it on Amazon. I went to Best Buy. Best Buy don't carry it. You can't find it really in the store anywhere. You can either go to their actual website and get it, or you can go to Amazon. I got a new one, but I also, when I was on Amazon, I also saw some other ones where you can, it looked like they were used, or like maybe somebody was selling their used one and cleared it off or reformatted it and they're selling it, whatever. So you'll find some on there too. But I decided, you know what, I was going to do that, but I got the new one. So Amazon, this was the Prime delivery. So it is called the Kingston Bolt. Now the last one I got was a 64 gig. Cost a little bit more, but this time I got the 32 gig on purpose. Of course it's a little bit cheaper, but the 64 gig is going to be more, of course, bang for your buck. You're going to get more gigs. You're going to pay less, But I was interrupted. I had to stop the video real quick. Anyways, so as I was saying, you can buy a 64 gig, more bang for your buck, more gigs, less price, per gig, whatever. So, do the math. Anyways, I got the 32 gig this time on purpose, only because to keep me in check of making sure when I'm taking stuff off of my phone and putting it on here, that I make sure I'm getting myself into the habit of also taking it off of here and putting it onto my computer. So what happened was, why I said I lost my last jump drive, is because you can put this on your keychain. And so I had it on my keychain, and the thing is that I had it to where you can take it off, and so I guess it slipped off of my hook somewhere, and I lost it. Luckily, and this is where, you know, I learned a lesson, is luckily that someone had asked about borrowing my jump drives because he wanted to clear off his phone and he wanted to use my jump drive, and so I was like, well, I got tons of stuff sitting on my jump drive, and which preempted me, caused me to clear off my jump drive and put it all onto my computer. So thank God I did that, you know, and then so I pretty much took everything off the jump drive and put it on the computer. And then what happened is I ended up losing it. So thank God my friend asked about borrowing it from me, which caused me to take the stuff off my jump drive and put it on my computer, because I would have been freaking out if I had lost it with all the stuff that was on there, which was just a lot of my, like, my pictures and videos, things that are my digital property. They're my property. So anyway, so that's what happened. That's how I lost it. So anyway, back to this. And also the other reason why I couldn't transfer some of my videos over, or I couldn't even upload it from my phone up into YouTube, is because I have some videos, like this one that I want to get up is longer than 15 minutes, and it won't upload videos that are longer than 15 minutes. I also tried saving the video to my files on my iCloud, and then go to my computer and see if I could pull it off the iCloud through that way, see if it went over to the other device. And because it's longer than 15 minutes, it won't do it. So I was like, damn it, I better order this. I was dragging butt and procrastinating on getting me a new one after losing the first one, because this right here is a lifesaver to me. So if I don't cut myself, I'm trying to take the tape off here. Why do they make these things like extra super childproof? Not even just childproof. These are like almost like adult proof. Anyway, so this is the Kingston Bolt, right? I already have the app, the software. It's on my phone. It's on this one that I'm doing this video off of. So all you'll have to do is, when you get this, you are going to, you need to download the app, right? So it tells you right here, it's simple to use. You're going to plug it right into your phone, and then it's going to cause you to download the app, or you can just go straight to your app store and download it. So here's the box. This is how it looks when it comes, and it is just this tiny little thing here. See that little thing? This is where it goes into your phone. This is your jump drive. Okay? How I lost it is because this is the keychain, this is the case, and all you do is you stick it into this case like this, right? And all you do is get the rubber, close it up, and then it goes right onto your keychain. So this time I'm actually sticking the ring onto the ring and not onto the hook, but I had it on the hook, you know, like this. And so a lot of times when I would I wear my keys on my side, and somewhere maybe when I took it off, it must have just slipped on off. so I don't know. But I'm not going to do that this time. This ring is actually going to go solid on one of these rings so I don't lose it, because I like to have this on me when I'm doing projects and recording, or when I'm working, doing notary stuff, documents and things like that for printing. So, there. And then all you do, like I said, I don't know if I have the app on this phone, but I have it on this one that I am recording off of. Let me look and just see if I do. Oh, I do. Anyway, so I don't know if you can see here. This is the app. It's called the Bolt right here. All right. Can you see that? Probably not. It's not getting all clear. You can see my booty though. See my booty? Alright, so all you'll do is just plug it into your phone, right? Just like that. Super simple. And Bolt would like to communicate with the Kingston Data Traveler Bolt Duo. Yes, allow. And that's it. And then it has this, it pops up, right? And so what you can do, it's right now reading my Bolt drive, but what you can do is you can either record or take pictures and have it go directly onto here, or you can do how you always do, use your phone and take pictures and record, and it goes onto your phone, and then you can go on here and then do transfer from that file. It'll find it, you can transfer it and put it onto here. And then it'll ask you if you want to, when you're doing the transfer, it'll ask you, do you want to delete the file off your phone after, or do you want to keep it on there? So if you have a video and you're like, okay, let me just take it off my phone and put it onto the jump drive, it asks you, do you want to keep it on your phone or do you want to delete it? This phone is dead anyways. I need to charge it. But so that's what it'll ask you. It'll ask you, do you want to keep it on your phone or delete it once it's completed the transfer? So that's it. I just wanted to share this with you. This is a lifesaver. If you guys don't have one of these, you have storage issues on your iPhone or whatever, you want to transfer your videos and pictures and events or documents and data, PDF files, whatever it is that you want to transfer, super simple and easy. This is a lifesaver, and I swear by it. I've tried other brands. They're cheap. They suck. I don't like them. And this one is just super cute, super small, super convenient, and I love it. And I'm going to leave the link down in the description box. You can just click on the link. It'll take you straight to the Amazon page. You can order it from there, and you can get a 32 gig, a 64 gig, and I think they might have 128 gig. Up to you. 32 is very sufficient depending on how much data you have. So yeah. Alright, so if you guys get this, and click on the link in my description bio so you can get yours and be like me. Super duper awesome. If you do get it, you know what, and you try it out, let me know how you like it. Give me your feedback. I have nothing to do with Kingston. They ain't paying me for this. I'm just sharing this with you guys. So, because I love it. Alright, and that's it. So, and if you find this video helpful, please hit the like button, share it with somebody who you think maybe could use one of these. They got storage issues on their phone too. Maybe they're just got like thousands of videos and junk like I do on my phone. Share that with them. You know what? Sharing is caring. And then be sure to subscribe to my channel if you haven't. Alright, stay tuned for more. Peace out. Love you guys. Be awesome.